Good morning, class. Today we are going to begin with problem set number 55. Now your first question is, say whether right or wrong. 23 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 23. We are going to solve the sums, find out whether the symbol given in between the two expression is right or wrong. So to begin with the first sum. 23 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 23. Children, you have to write it as I am writing. No, you have to first write the question. Now what to do? You have to solve the bracket. 23 plus 4 is 27 is equals to, sign will be as it is. Then 4 plus 23 is also 7. 27. 4 plus 23 is equals to 27. So it is correct. So this is equals to sign is right or wrong? It is right. So answer right. Understood? We have to do this much only here. We have to say whether it is right or wrong. Your second sum is 9 plus 4 greater than 12. Now is equals to 9 plus 4 is what? 13 greater than 12. Answer again it is right. 13 is greater than 12. So you have to write is right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Okay. Third sum is 9 plus 4 lesser than 12. Now same thing we did here, no? 9 plus 4 is 13. Now here in the next question they are telling 9 plus 4 is what? Is equals to 13 lesser than 12. So it is greater than or lesser than? Greater than. So answer is wrong. Okay, right? Coming to the fourth question. Now your fourth sum is 138 greater than 138. So it is wrong, no children? Same numbers, 138 here, 138 here. So we have to write here 138. That is the question, no? So write the number here again. Right answer, it is wrong. Okay children, 138 greater than 138, it is wrong, no? Now your fifth sum. Your fifth sum is saying you 138 lesser than 138. So again this is wrong, because how the same numbers will be lesser than or greater than any same number? So this is also wrong. 138 is not lesser than 138. Your sixth sum is 138 is equals to 138. Now comes the correct question. 138 is equals to 138. Answer right. This is correct, na? Other both lesser than, greater than are wrong. Now coming to the seventh question. 4 into 7 is equals to 30 minus 2. So children, first of all we have to solve the bracket, then move forward. So 4 sevens is what? 28 is equals to 30 minus 2. Correct? Then come down. 28 is equals to, now solve this. 30 minus 2 is 28. So it is correct. Answer, it is right. Coming to the eighth question. Your eighth question is 25 upon 5 is greater than 5. Okay. Now what is this? divide, no, 25 upon 5 greater than 5. So 25 upon 5 is equals to what? 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So this is equals to 5. 25 upon 5 is equals to 5. 5 greater than 5. Now 5 greater than 5. It is correct or wrong? It is wrong. 5 equal to 5. Right? Now coming to the ninth question. Your ninth question is 5 into 8 is equals to 8 into 5. Okay children. Now we will solve this bracket. 5 8s are 40 is equals to 8 5s are 40. Now this is what? Equality. 5 8s are 8 5s are 40 is equals to 40. It is equality. So answer is right. Okay. Coming to the 10th question. Now your 10th question is 16 plus 0. 16 plus 0 is equals to 16. 16 plus 0 is equals to 0. 10th question is 16 plus 0 is equals to 0. Now 16 plus 0 is how much? 16 is equals to 0. So this is wrong. Answer is wrong. Coming to the 11th question. Your 11th question is 16 plus 0 is equals to 16. Okay children. So 16 plus 0 is what? 16 is equals to 16. Correct? Again it is an equality. Is equals to answer is what? Right. Now coming to the 12th sum. Your 12th sum is 9 plus 4 is equals to 12. Now 9 plus 4 is 13 is equals to 12. So the answer is wrong. Answer is wrong. Coming to, okay, so we have finished the first sum. Question number 1 we have finished. Actually we have finished problem set number 50. No. Sorry. We have finished the first question. Now coming to the second question. Now your second question is sub question 1. It is 45 divided by 9. Now here one box is there and here the second bracket is 9 minus 4. Now what you have to fill in the blanks with the right symbol. You have to put the right symbol here. So we will write in the next line we will solve and write 45 divided by 9 is equals to 5. Make the box. 9 minus 4 is 5. So what you will do? What you can do? Tell me children. It is equals to sign 5 and 5. No, 45 divided by 9 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is equal to sign. Coming to the second question. Your second question is 6 plus 1. Then this is 3 into 2. 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now the box. 3 2s are 6. Now 7 is greater than 6. Right children? Coming to the third question. Your third question is 12 into 2. Then this is 25 plus 10. It is what? 25 plus 10. So solve it. 12 2s are 24. Then here it is 25 plus 10 is 35. So this is lesser. 24 lesser than 35. Very easy now children. You all have done this. The only thing is the numbers are in the brackets. Now coming to the third question. This is third question, sub question 1. Sub question 1 is 1 into 7. 1 into 7 is equals to 1. Okay children. Now this is 1 into 7 is equals to dash into 1. Now here we have to fill in this box. Not with the signs but with the numbers to make it a proper expression. Equality or inequality, we will find out that what is the question given. Now here it is 1 into 7 is 7. 1 7s are 7 is equals to, now this number you have to find out which number will come here into 1. Now if we want the answer 7, so we will have to write here 7 into 1. Understood? So 7 into 1 we have to write this number. So we have to only write 7 is equals to 7. This number in the box. What will come in the box? In the box the number will come is 7. 1 7s are 7 and 7 1s are 7. So it becomes an equality. Coming to the next question. This is 5 into 4 greater than 7 into, now we have to find out this number, what will come in this box. Here it is a question mark, we have to find out that. So solve. 5 4s is what? 20. 20 is greater than, now you have to find out a number which is lesser than 20. Less than 20. So what we can write here? 7 into 4. 7 2s are, 7 3s are is 21, no? So it will be 7 2s are 14. 2 will come in this box. So it is 20 greater than 14. 7 2s are 14. Understood? If we take here 3, by mistake I was taking 4. So 7 4s are 28. So this expression will become wrong. So 7 2s are 14. Understood? We have to get the number lesser than 20. So we have to take here 2. 7 2s are 14. So the answer will be, answer is equals to 20 greater than 14. Got it? Coming to the third question. 48 divided by 3 lesser than dash into 5. Now children, here this is lesser than, so this answer should be more. This answer should be more, no? Now this is what? 48 divided by 3. So if you say the table of 3 till 48, so what will come here? Right children? So when 48 is divided by 3, you will get the answer 16. 16 3s are 48. Now this is lesser than, 16 is lesser than this number. So this number, this answer should be more than 16. So here if we take 4, this is 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. So we can write here 16 lesser than 20. So your answer will be what? 16 lesser than 20. Understood? Coming to the next sum. Okay. Now your next sum is the fourth sum. Your fourth sum is 0 plus 4 greater than 5 into dash. Okay. Now 0 plus 1 is what? 0 plus 1 is 1. Now 1 is greater. So which number is lesser than 1? 0. 0. So what should come here? 5 into what? 5 into 1 is also 5. So here you are getting 1. This number is 1. Then here answer should be less than 1. That means it should be 0. So here you have to write 0. You know, any number multiplied with 0 is 0. So here will be 1 greater than 0. 5 zeros are 0. So answer will be 1 greater than 0. Coming to the fifth question. Your fifth question is 35 divided by 7 is equals to. Now here you have to write both the numbers you have to write. In this question they have not given us one number, they are not asking for one number, they are asking for both the numbers. So it is our wish, whatever we want we can write. So now this is 35 divided by 7 is what? 5. 5 sevens are 35. So we got the answer 5. So 5 is equals to what? So here you can write anything. You can write here 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3. Anything you can write. So answer is what? Answer 5 is equals to 1 plus 4. Your wish. This number can be added according to your wish. But the answer should be 5. Okay? Because the symbol is equals to, no? Now coming to question number 6. Now yes, question number 6 is 6 minus dash lesser than 2 plus 3. Okay. Now this is question mark. Here you don't know what is there. So first solve this. This is lesser than sign. This is 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. Now this is 5. So here should be 6. How much you will subtract from 6 to make it lesser than 5? It can be 4. So if you subtract 6 minus 2, it will be 4 lesser than 5. Got it? You can here you can write any number. You can write 3, you can write 4, but the number should be smaller than this number. Understood? So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 lesser than 5. So this will be your answer, 4 lesser than 5. Correct? Now along with this we have completed problem set number 55. Coming to problem set number 56. Okay children. Now here problem set 56 is asking you to use a letter for any number and write the following properties in short. Now this is a sentence which you have to write in short. Using what? Using any numbers for what? Letters. You have to use a letter for any number. Now instead of 5 you have to use X, anything, X, Y, Z, anything. So what we are going to do is now let us use for a number. What we will do here is now the sum of any number. Now your question is the sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. The sum means plus sign of any number. Sum of any number. So we can write here 2 plus 3. Understood? Is the number itself. Now here if we write using the numbers it will be like this. Now 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. But is the number itself? No. We have to, instead of writing like this, we have to use the letters, alphabets. So what we will do? We will write A plus 0. Now one alphabet and one number. A plus 0 is equals to the number itself. That means it is A. Understood? Simple. We have to use alphabets in place of numbers. One number. Now 1 is 0. So we don't have to write like this. When we write like this, where are we using the alphabets? These are all numbers, no? So in one number's place, we have to write the alphabet. Now coming to the second question. Now your second question is the product of any two numbers and the product obtained after changing the order to those numbers is the same. So what we will write here? Let us use A and B. What are we using? A and B for two numbers. We are taking A and B for two numbers. So what will be the answer? Then we can write the product, no? It is the product. So A into B. A into B is equals to same. It will be B into A. Children, one more thing. Now you must have noticed everywhere I have written small b. Here I wrote cursive B. Did you notice the difference? Yes. Now deliberately wrote this to show you not to write cursive B, or cursive letters should not be written. You have to write simple small alphabet. No capital, no cursive. Simple small alphabets. A plus B is equals to B plus A. Understood, children? Now coming to the third question. The product of any number and 0 is 0. The product of any number and 0. We did here, no? 5 into 0 is 0. The product of any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Now this we have to write with the help of the alphabets. So what we will write here? Let us use X. We are using what? X. Let us use X for any number. Now any number multiplied by 0 is 0, na? So what we will write? X into 0 is equals to 0. Now children, now while writing this, now this time your exam is on Google form, but while writing in future, please X and multiplication sign is there, so make difference while writing this both. If you write it in the same way, you will get confused and even that you might get it wrong. So please write it properly. The X sign and the multiplication sign should have difference. So please write it properly. So children, now we have finished the first question. Now coming to the second question. Your second question is write the following properties in words. Write the following properties in words. Now your first question is M minus 0 is equals to M. So for this what you have to do? You have to write this in words. So while writing in words, what you can write? You can write is the minus means difference, no? The difference of any number, the difference of any number and 0 is the number itself, is the number itself. Now children, did you all notice it is just the opposite of question number 1? The question number 1 was written in the sentence form and we wrote it using the alphanumerical numbers, no? Now alphabets is also there and numbers were also there in the first question. Now in the second question again the question is in the alphabets and numbers which we have to write it in statement form. Now coming to the second question, your second question is n divided by 1 is equals to n. Now how to write this in the statement form? We can write, now this is the quotient, no? When you divide this to n divided by 1, and answer is n. So n is what? N is the quotient. So we can write answer the quotient, of any number, the quotient of any number divided by 1 is the number itself, Understood, children? What we have done in this question, the question asked is in alphabet and numbers. We have written it in a descriptive form. Okay, children, that is only there in this question. So along with this, we have completed the chapter and the portion itself. Right, children? Now you have to practice, you have to do all the sums in your notebook. Get ready for your exams. Now next week onwards, your orals, then activities, and then your final exams will start. So children, all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.